राजधानी भोपाल के कटारा हिल्स स्थित श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल पर 2 दिवसीय गरबा महोत्सव शुभारंभ का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल सोनिया राय ने बताया कि गरबा महोत्सव के आयोजन का उद्देश्य बच्चों में नृत्य एवं संस्कृति के प्रति जागरूकता लाना है। इसमें छात्र अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ सम्मिलित होंगे। श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल के असिस्टेंट जनरल मैनेजर श्रीधर ने बताया कि स्कूल को CBSE से भी मान्यता प्राप्त हो गई है। श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल के भोपाल में इस समय 2 ब्रांच कटारा हिल्स एवं कोलार रोड पर संचालित की जा रही हैं।
School range in Asia, and that is also integrated educations, all kind of competitive examination have the brand value number 1 in Asia, and it's open in Bhopal. It's 2 branches, 2022 Sri Chaitanya Techno School Katara and another one at Kolar. Recently, it has also got its affiliation from CBSE. We have with us AGM, Mr. Sridhar. Sir, Sri Chaitanya Techno School, what kind of a specification?
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sridhar, AGM of Sri Chaitanya Techno Schools, Bhopal. In Bhopal, we are having 2 branches, one in Katara, another one in Kolar. And we are happy and we are glad to announce that we have got an affiliation recently for our Katara branch, and already we are having affiliated school in Kolar also. So actually Sri Chaitanya, we deal with an integrated syllabus called Techno, where we get a better curriculum for the students to approach or to achieve the best ranks in IITs or JEE Mains or NEET. So it will be a foundation course for all the students, and we are happy to say that even parents of Bhopal are very happy and satisfied. So we can check with the admissions done last year to this year, almost like 200 admissions were increased.
In starting,
yeah,
200. Now it is going on 600 above.
Almost 600 above admissions we are there. And thank you so much. And we would like to thank media people also for supporting us a lot. Thanks a lot. And we expect the same for coming academic year also.
And also Techno School going to some public oriented phase, and for that it is going to organize a Garba,
yes,
one of the festival of the India, and to bring the culture and ethos to the children and general public at large. For that it is going to organize Garba Mahotsav Subharam at Sri Chaitanya Techno School Katara. We have with Principal Sri Chaitanya Techno School Katara, Miss Sonia Rai.
Sir,
What sort of programs?
Sir, as sir said, we are not only focusing on the academics, we are making the children prepare for the competitive examinations. Other than that, we are trying to have the holistic development of the children. And we know that dance is the best form of art which will be making children physically as well as mentally fit. So keeping that thing in mind, we have decided to have 10 to 12 days Garba celebration inside our campus. So in that, our children, our parents, even the non-parents are participating. They are like registering. They are very enthusiastic to participate. So that is a great opportunity to everybody to show their talent, and for our parents, for our children also, because they are extraordinary good at the academic part. They are doing great, but at the same time they are very good in the co-curricular activities like dance.
And if anyone from the general public want to participate in the Garba, what sort of the registration process?
So they can register. We have given some numbers with the brochures which we have prepared. They can simply call and they can register.
And they can also contact at the school premises.
Yes, they can come to school premises. They can contact us. We will be giving them gate pass.
So what are the dates and venue and times of the Garba?
Others members of other registration participate?
Simply, sir, they can inquire at the reception area. They will have to fill a small form, inquiry form, and they will be getting the gate pass. With that gate pass, they would be allowed to enter for this Garba celebration.
And what are the dates, venue and timing of the Garba?
We are going to have 10 days practice session. That is the time evening 4 to 5:30. Every day we will be having practice session, and last 2 days, that is Sashti or Saptami. That days we will be having night time grand finales. For that we will be having surprise gifts, souvenir prizes for the best.
So 9th and 10th September going to the Garba Mahotsav Subharam, and venue will be the Katara at Sri Chaitanya Techno.
Yes.
And for also the general public,
yes,
they can contact some sort of fees minimum,
yeah,
is also applicable, but can be paid, and they can
and
enjoy.
they can enjoy this grand
Hope
celebration.
the kind of
First year your Garba festival.
Yeah, this is the first time we are organizing this Garba celebration, and that is why we have written the name. We have Shubharam. We said Shubharam of the Garba.
hope that kind of the Shubharam will go a long journey
Yes.
in the history of the academics and cultural activities of Bhopal. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Inside our campus, our school is CBSE affiliated, so we can understand that we are following all the CBSE norms and the safety concerns of the children and the parents. The campus is completely covered and safe. You can come and enjoy our Shubharam, the Garba celebration. Thank you.
Thank you so much.